Well, it looks like this big jump up in the AGQ, which is double silver, and the SLV is continuing on today. It gapped up yesterday above the Bollinger Band, and it gapped up again today. Yeah, it may pull back from there, but this this gap up above the Bollinger Band is very strong on real good volume. The supply and demand looks really good, and the relative strength still has room to go. There's some money coming into this market now. I didn't look over at the bonds. Bonds are, yeah, it looks like money coming out of the bonds a little bit too. But there's definitely something going on. So I wouldn't buy right now. I wouldn't buy here. Wait for a little bit of a pullback because it will trade within the Bollinger Bands 90% of the time. So 95% of the time actually. It's outside the Bollinger Band right now, so it's a little bit too far, too fast. But I bought it around 38.50, so pretty good jump up. Now I wish I'd bought more. I didn't know it would go up that hard, but this is definitely going to make a run for the previous high of the $14.50, and we might find some resistance around 15. We can punch through 15, it'll go to 20 again, maybe, and maybe beyond that too. So that's what we're looking at now. So let me check the SLV real quick. Yep, real big gap up, another 3%. That is cool. Everything looks good. This looks real strong. Even if it pulls back, it looks like it's gonna. There's a lot of energy coming into the market right now. So even if it pulls back, that's when you'd want to buy on the dips now and sell when it moves up. So finally getting the breakout we need. And didn't even look over at the gold. Gold go above. Oh, it's just has to go above 90. I think it's above 900 again because the GLD is just under 90. So let me check on the Kitco real quick, which gives the spot price, the futures price. Yeah, 910 bucks. So that's looking good. As soon as it passed 900 bucks, that was definitely a buy signal. So we're off to 1,000 again. I just know it. Sometime this summer. Usually the metals pull back during this time of year, but I don't think anything is normal anymore. So that's it. I wouldn't buy just yet. Looks like the GLD might be having a breakout here above 90. If it does, it'll definitely be. Ooh, look, gold pulled back yesterday. It was actually down. Silver was way up. So the performance starting to pull away. Sooner or later, we need silver to pull away from gold to make up that huge discrepancy in ratio. So, yeah, silver's up 6% and gold's only up 1% for the 3-month period. So let's look at 1 month. Yeah, for the month, silver's up 12%, gold's only up 4%. So it's tripled. Silver has tripled the performance of gold. And if you're in the AGQ, which I am, then AGQ is up 22% and gold's only up 4%, so it's a factor of almost 6, so that's cool. So anyway, that's it. And what did the rest of the market do today? I was gone today, so I didn't really get to watch the close. 85, yeah, market's still going up. I don't know if it's just fears of inflation moving the metals up, but there's a lot of money coming into the market, and huge volume today on the market. But tomorrow is the stress test. So, but you know, the market looks real good. I bet the stress test comes out. Maybe the market dips a little bit, but then I expect the market to continue on to at least 9,000, maybe even further than that. Nice little summer rally, and then when it pulls back, we'll make some money on the downside. But I don't think the stress tests are going to cancel the market out. I think it might sell off a little bit, but we'll see where it closes. That's where important. It's more important where the market closes tomorrow than how it reacts to the stress test, which is all a bunch of bullshit anyway. So anyway, should be about it for today, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get a nice little pullback, or we can add some shares. All right. Talk to you later.